Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to enter safe mode in Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So go to my control center, tap on to power button or click on to power button, press on power up, long press, then you get safe mode. Just tap on. So look at now successfully turn on safe mode. Okay, or if you want to turn off safe mode, tap on, press on to restart. Okay, now successfully turn off safe mode.